To find what issues can be solved to improve the health of Home Park, we surveyed 20 residents. Our findings were that most people had issues with time, education, and price when trying to maintain a healthy diet. Another study we found supported our findings by concluding that ages 18 to 30 had the same three problems. According to the census, the majority of the population in Home Park happens to be in that age range. I believe that an app designed specifically for the Home Park community is the solution to these problems. A study showed that 64% of people ages 18 to 23 have a smartphone, and 72% of people ages 24 to 32 have a smartphone, and 70% of smartphone users use apps. An app would be a useful tool in a community like Home Park, where the majority of the population is already familiar with apps. For those in the community who do not have smartphones, there will be an option to access the same tools through a website. The app will be a great way to educate people on what a healthy diet is. The user will simply type in a food, and the app will tell them which food group it falls in, as well as how much of the food they will need to eat to fulfill their daily requirement. They can also select one of the food groups on the plate, and the app will provide a list of the most nutrient-rich foods in that group. To solve the issue of time, the app will post a list of 30-minute recipes. Each week, a new list of recipes will be posted so that people will not feel bored of the same recipes or feel burdened going through a long list to find a recipe they want to try. There will simply be 7 recipes posted for each meal of the day each week. To make food more affordable, the app will tell the user which items are on sale at the local corner store. Produce tends to be cheaper when in season, so the app will also have a listing of all the seasonal fruits and vegetables. The app will also give people a way to sign up for partners to grow their own vegetables in the community garden. Based on our survey, we found that a lot of people would plant their own vegetables if they had the time to take care of them. Finding a partner who is interested in growing the same thing will enable people to split the time and work needed to tend to a garden. The app will enable the partners to communicate with each other through a messaging system without giving out their personal phone number. Partners will be able to log what they have done so that the garden will not be over or underwatered. The partners will then harvest the vegetables together and split them evenly. The app will have a trade post where people can trade their produce from the community garden with others. This will give people another way to save money by trading vegetables they don't need for vegetables they want. People can also form agreements to grow certain vegetables so that everyone can enjoy a harvest with a greater variety.